My name is Chog Tsering. I'm the first generation in my family to go to college. And I finished my master's in supply chain management. It was a COVID time, people are really, on the edge. But I did it. Oh, happy Saturday Memorial Day weekend. Like, I'm sure everybody has lots of plans for 3 days long weekend. As far as I'm concerned, I'm here to attend the ceremony for a master's degree in supply chain management at University of San Diego. Today I attended with my daughter and one of my close friend, Tebutuku. He came all the way from Santa Barbara. And I want to show you a little bit of my campus, how it looks like. This is the class where I studied a little bit for 1 year school, Chog school graduates. And there is a cafeteria on the other side there. You can grab a food. And the next one, this is the new building. It's donated by philanthropy, from San Diego, alma mater. It's called North School of Business. You can see the campus, like, very clean. It's a Catholic school since 1949. So this campus established in 1949. And lots of new buildings. You can see here, North Center for Business Education, North School of Business. You can see there, congratulations, all the graduates. 2023 class. So this is the new building, North School of Business. I had a class here for I think like 3 or 4 semesters, and it's beautiful inside. Is modern technology, fully fitted, all the classrooms. It's amazing, and new structure. And you can see over there the dome. The dome is there. The blue one there, right? That's the church is there. Very happy to be here, and looking forward to do bigger things in my life. Thank you, sweetheart.
Okay, let's
go. Thank you so much. Yeah, my name is Chog Tsering, and I'm the first generation in my family to go to college, very prestigious college, University of San Diego. And I finished my master's in supply chain management during like 2 years. It was really hard for me. It was a COVID time, people are really, on the edge, everyone, but I did it. So I'm really, really happy. And I have Tebutuku with me as a guest, and I'm very thankful to him.
Thank you.
Yeah, he came all the way from Santa Barbara, and I respect Rinpoche a lot. That's why I invited him. And here's my daughter, Kelsang Chudun, and she is my darling, and she came during my dad's graduation ceremony. Thank you very much.